Hello world, today is August 9th, Saturday, 2025. It's around 7 p.m. I am in Phuket on the rooftop here. It's quite beautiful. Sun just set. And this is the APK Cocoon Hotel. It's quite lovely. This is a 10-minute talk about what is top of mind. It's a public journal, and I try to capture the most important thoughts, experiences, conclusions, or learnings that I have come across in the last 24 hours. So I just did Muay Thai today, and I did some journaling in the morning, and now a couple of things. One, ScreenPipe. This is a open source project, actually started by somebody I know, kind of a friend of mine from San Francisco. Two friends that are co-founders, and it's quite. I just went down the rabbit hole the last 2 days, and I downloaded the software. It's what it does is it records your MacBook 24/7, audio and screen recording, and then it's searchable, searchable, and summarizable, and you have access to all that data on your MacBook activity. And then you also can control the MacBook, so you can write AI agents that just automate things, your workflows, things that you're used to. To me, this is just eye-opening. That this is the most exciting thing I've been working out, and I'm just because if you were able to plug in an LLM with the context of your everyday laptop work, just gluing together a couple LLM calls and loops and some software, you can easily create an agent that will just do the things that you normally do, automate your work, so you don't have to go to work, do remote work, any kind of laptop work. You can just prompt and then monitor and evaluate, and it's quite simple to essentially have infinite kind of value generation. You can just have your agents daily do things like create companies, trade stocks, anything you can imagine. So second thing, Lumi, time tracking voice first app. I've been working on it, really tried hard to get it out yesterday by 3 p.m. and I made the the authentication with Gmail, Firebase, Together AI, Whisper v3, transcription, speech to text. So how it works is you press the button to voice record what you did that day, and then it takes your voice recording text, and it will save it in the database your workday in 15 minutes increments, sections, so that you have and then you have a view of your whole day, 24 hours in 15-minute increments. Then you have a view of your whole week, so you can get an overview of how you use your time. So then there are categories for things like I slept, or I had breakfast from 9 to 10:30, and then I did yoga from 10:30 to 10:45. Then I worked on my project X from 2 p.m. to 4:45. It takes that voice and extracts the text, transcribes it, and then creates extracts the information in a JSON structure that then is input into the database. And then, so imagine just like doing this like every day, and it's just like the voice is like the easiest human kind of interface communication protocol. You just like speak, press a button and you speak what you did. You can log your whole day's activities in a couple seconds. That's the first step, and then you have like an AI that helps you reflect, analyze, optimize your productivity, your day-to-day actions. So your life really comes down to like what you spend your time on, what you think about all day, but mostly how you spend your time. It really shows who you are, where you're going, where you're going to be. So it's very critical to track how you spend your time. Now it's kind of it's tedious because it's very tedious traditionally, because you would have to like click a button, I'm starting this time, or you have to enter it into a spreadsheet, kind of time intensive. But now with AI voice transcription, that's like super good. We can just record the voice, transcribe. So in just like a couple seconds, you can just speak, enter, log your time tracking with just your voice. And then you have an AI coach that helps you, reflect, analyze, optimize your productivity so that you see how much time you're spending on this project. And then you can have so then that's the second step. It's like one is like you just get a one button press analysis, and you get two paragraphs of your work, and in the context of your biography and your story and your goals, it gives you advice and reflections and commentary. So that's the core MVP. And like my strategy is like I'm really like iterating and pushing hard on creating businesses and apps. And like this is like being like a professional means you put in the work. So every day I am like putting in the work on doing shipping apps, and that means also doing social media marketing, organic social media marketing on the apps. That's a critical ingredient. So you have to have an offer. So here the offer is time tracking, and I understand that right now this is really like a rep. Like this is an exercise. It's very critical as an entrepreneur to be shipping things on a quick cycle. So this is one of those cycles. The time tracking AI is an offer. The offer is you get this tool that the most efficient way to track your time, and then have an AI analyze and give you coaching and feedback and answer questions, and give you answer recommendations on on how you spend your time, which is the most important thing you can be doing. And so this is like my rep. This is my iteration of like this ship this thing. Then I'm going to really focus on like the message, like the presentation, and really like this is critical for a technical person. It's like you have to also bring in this impute. Apple talked about imputing their spirit, their brand, like in the early days, Apple II days, of the marketing, of the copy. So like that's what I have to like also work on with the social media, organic social media content. That's how that works. It's really about getting the message across. Marketing. So marketing, that's a big part of the work, and for a technical person, it's like it's a different kind of work. You really have to tap in. It's really like a frequency. You have to understand like this concept of like emotions, frequencies, states, of being. And so one of those is like, this is a high value offer that you're bringing to the world. So that's part of the journey of being an entrepreneur. And so for all the people that are coming in doing entrepreneurship from technical developer aspect, they're like, it's not a logic, it's about like human story thing. So ending it here, and as always, ending the vlog with a couple moments of sending you peace, love, vibrations. May you be free from suffering.